channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download your items for different purposes. So if you've gotten an item like this and you want to go ahead and have it printed, you do have a few options. So your first option would be, of course, to print it on with Canva. They do have a printing service now where they offer prints. So if you wanted to do that, you could do that. Select which images, how you want it, double-sided, the paper, all that. We most likely are not going to do that option. We are going to want to download it and either print it at home, download it and upload it to Vistaprint, or download it and send it to a print shop to have them printed out. So if you wanted to download and print it at home, I would recommend putting it in PDF print. For any downloads, I would recommend PDF print unless you want to put this as a picture on like your Instagram or your Pinterest. Then I would recommend downloading it as a PNG high quality image. But for the purpose of having it printed out, I would pick download as a PDF print. If you're going to be downloading it and printing it at home, then I would just go ahead and download a PDF print, select the pages that you want. So I want pages 1 and 2 because that's the front and back of my card. And then I would, you can change the name here to whatever you'd like. I'll leave it as copy because it's just for this video purpose. And then you would go ahead and download it. So you just select download and the file will go directly to your computer. And you'll have it like this, and then you can just click print. You select all the options, and then you can print it out. Now, if you wanted to download it and upload it to somewhere like Vistaprint or Moo or any of those other sites, I would recommend doing download as a PDF print, but also for this variation, I would recommend clicking the crop, marks, and bleed selection. This is because it adds a little bit of extra room. So when you're uploading it to the site, you will have the option to align it a lot better. So it adds these marks and a border around. So when you upload it to Vistaprint, you'll be able to put it in the picture correctly. So I can actually show you guys. When you go to Vistaprint, you are going to click on marketing materials, and you can do it in any form that you'd like. I like postcard. I think that's just the best option when you're printing thank you cards, in my opinion. You can select the size that you want. We'll select 5x7. Orientation is going to be horizontal, and then you can select your quantity. So for 500, it'd be 87 bucks. With these options, we are going to add a back and stuff, so the price will go up a little bit, but for the most part, that's what it is. Then you'll click on upload your design, and this is where you'll upload those images. So I will go to images, go to my computer. This is the one you want to do, so you select the one you want to upload. Put it in the corner. To extend it, so this is another reason why the crop and bleeding should be good. So it's going to show you the front and the back of your card. Just going to double check everything's okay. Yes, continue. These are the options. I tend to like premium because I like soft touch. It is my favorite option.